What are reducing sugars? ഇത് ഡയബറ്റിക് ഷുഗറിനെ റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാനല്ല, ഷുഗേഴ്സിൽ സാക്രൈഡ്സിൽ ഏതെല്ലാം ഷുഗേഴ്സാണ് റെഡ്യൂസിങ് പവർ ഉള്ളത് നോക്കാം. We have two sugars, glucose and fructose. Glucose is an aldose sugar containing an aldehyde group, and fructose is a ketose sugar containing a keto group. So we expect aldehydes to reduce Fehling solution and tolerance region. But fructose being a ketone, you expect that it will not reduce these solutions. But in reality, both glucose and fructose reduce Fehling solution and tolerance reagent. Fehling solution is a solution of copper tartrate. The reacting species is Cu2 plus ion, and it's a blue solution. It changes to a red precipitate of cuprous oxide. Tolerance reagent is an ammoniacal silver nitrate solution, and the reacting species is Ag2O, which contains Ag plus, that is reduced to bright silver mirror of Ag. What about sucrose? Sucrose is not having any CO group, CHO or CO group. So sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. It cannot reduce Fehling solution or tolerance reagent.